Hello children, this video is for class 2nd, subject mathematics, topic division, page number 87 and 88, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Page number 87, Do and Learn. Aim to introduce division, things needed, toothpicks, eraser, beads or rubber bands. Do and learn. First, fix 2 toothpicks in an eraser. Take 6 beads or rubber bands. You have to divide them equally between the 2 toothpicks. You have to divide these beads equally in these 2 toothpicks. Put a bead in each toothpick. One in this first toothpick and second is in second toothpick. You are left with 4 beads to divide. 6 were there and you have taken 2. So here 6 minus 2, 4 are left. Again put a bead in each toothpick. You are left with 2 beads. Again from these 4 beads you have taken 2 more. Here 1 and 1 and here only 2 are left. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Fourth, put it the last 2 beads. There are 0 beads left. All the beads have been divided. These 2 beads you have taken here, 1 and 1, and here no beads are there, 0 beads are left. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. You divided 6 beads equally between 2 toothpicks. 2 toothpicks are there and you have divided these 6 into 2 toothpicks. Each pick got 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We write this as 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Total number of beads were 6 and you have divided into 2 and each you got 3. Okay. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. We say 6 divided by 2 is 3. This is the sign of division. Look here carefully. One line is there, slipping line, and then 2 dots are there. So this is the sign of division. 6 is dividend here. 6 number is dividend. 2 is the divisor and 3 is the quotient. 6 number is dividend here, 2 is divisor, and what you get here, the answer is called quotient. Division is repeated subtraction. Look here, division is repeated subtraction. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 means 2 can be subtracted 3 times from 6. 2 can be subtracted 3 times. Look here. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 divided by 2. 2, 2, 2, 2 means 2 can be subtracted 3 times 1, 2, 3 from which number? 6. Okay. So it is called subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Page number 88. Division. Divide by repeated subtraction. Children, you have to find out here division by repeated subtraction. First example is given for you, 20 divided by 5. So how you will find out by repeated subtraction? 20 minus 5. 20 divided by 5 is here. You will minus 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Then you will take here 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Then 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 times 0 will come. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Means 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. Here second, 4 divided by 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then this 2 you will write here, 2 minus this 2 is equal to 0. That means 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. How many times? 2 times is equal to 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Next, 6 divided by 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Then you will take this 3 here, 3 and this 3 here. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to how many times? 1 and 2. 2. So 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Fourth, 6 divided by 2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now take this 4 here. 4 minus again 2 is equal to how many? 2. Then this 2 here. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Next, fifth question, 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5, you will write 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 5 minus 5. This 5 you will write here and this 5 here. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 10 minus 5, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 1, 2. So 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Question 6. 12 divided by 3. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. You write this 9 here. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now this 6 here. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now this 3 here. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 fours are 12. Understand, children? Now 7th. 12 divided by 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So, 12 divided by 6 is equal to 1, 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Question number 8. 16 divided by 4. 16 minus 4 is equal to 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now write 8 here. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. This 4 here. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So, 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 9th. 15 divided by 5. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Now this 10 right here. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. This 5 right here. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Now question number 10. 27 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7. So 21 minus 7 is equal to how much? 14. 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. And 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Answer is 3. 11th. 24 divided by 8. So you will write here 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. Then this 16 you will write here. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Then this 8 you will write here. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So 24 divided by 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3. So 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Answer is 3. When you will divide 24 by 8, you will get 3. 12. 18 divided by 9. You have to divide here 18 by 9. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. When you will minus 9 by 18 from 18, so you will get 9. This 9 you write here 9 and this 9 here 9. ये यहाँ. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9 and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 1 and 2. 2. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. When you will divide 18 by 9, you will get 2. 9 2s are 18. So children, this is the method of division by, you have to find division by repeated subtraction.